Do you use Gimp instead of Photoshop for image editing? If so, you can take your image enhancements to the next level by using an AI image enhancer plugin inside Gimp. To get started, first, download the plugin from GitHub, link in the description. Once the download is complete, extract the files. Now, open Gimp. If you haven't installed it yet, check out our previous video for a step-by-step guide. Next, navigate to Edit, Preferences, Folders, Plugins. Here, you'll find the plugin directory. Simply paste the extracted plugin folder into this location. After that, restart Gimp and open the image you want to enhance. Now, go to Filters, Enhance, AI Upscale. A pop-up will appear. Adjust the settings according to your preference and hit Apply. Wait a few moments, and your image will be enhanced using AI. That's it. Now you can easily upscale images in Gimp using AI. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments.